This is the worst episode we've ever done. Hey everyone, it's Brian. Welcome back. It's time for another episode of Trade Talk Tuesday. Now, real quick, next week we're going to do something that's pretty cool. It's called an AMA episode. Ask Me Anything. So whatever's on your mind, I want to know. So do this. Submit your question in the description link below, and I'll answer whatever you want next week. So, for example, we've had multiple questions come in from our most enthusiastic viewer, Jen B, who once again asks, your videos are great, but I still cannot sign in for Trade of the Day. Can you please address this? Okay, Jen, click the description link below, and it'll take you right to a sign-up page. Then put your email address in, hit submit, and then boom, you're signed up for Trade of the Day. Fast, simple, easy. So more of your questions next week. But for today, let's get right into it. Because I'm officially calling this vending machine company the next Whole Foods. So let me explain. Wall Street loves companies that solve problems in an innovative and a creative way. So for example, take Whole Foods. Before Whole Foods came along, going to the grocery store was brutal. You just ran out, grabbed a bag of hot dog buns, and just got home as fast as you can. It was a miserable experience. Nobody wanted to do it. But then Whole Foods came along and changed all that. Going to a Whole Foods now, it's fun, it's engaging, it's exciting. I mean, look at how much fun these people are having. As a result, you wanted to go to Whole Foods and you wanted to spend more money on groceries. And this has made Whole Foods a fantastic investment. And now they're owned by Amazon. So clearly they changed the entire dynamic of the grocery store experience. And now today, that's where this new company comes into play. You see, now that grocery shopping has improved, let me ask you, what is the most miserable buying experience you have today? I'll tell you, car buying. You got to haggle for price. You got to deal with the awkward salesperson. You got to decline all of that stupid rust coating and ding protection that they want to sell you. And then you got to spend 40 minutes in the finance guy's office doing numbers. Forget all that. Because right now, Carvana is about to change that experience. Now, according to Carvana, 81% of customers do not enjoy the car buying process. So they want to change all that by making the worst shopping experience more enjoyable. And they now represent the future of how you're going to be buying a car. So here's how they're going to do that. First, you can search their entire full inventory, take a virtual 360-degree tour inside and out, get your financing locked up, and complete the entire process all from their website. And then they'll deliver the car straight to your doorstep. Everything is done ahead of time. The process is so streamlined that 96% of their customers would recommend the service to a friend. Oh, and if you're not satisfied, you get a 7-day money-back guarantee. So just imagine how great that sounds. With more than 33,000 cars available and an average savings per vehicle of $1,000, Carvana is changing the car buying game. And they're innovating when it comes to brand recognition. You see, you've probably seen their massive car vending machine structures that hold automobiles alongside the highway or just driving down the road. These are both advertisements and car showrooms combined into one. So back on June 3rd in Trade of the Day, I said that Carvana was a name to add to your portfolio right away. And since then, that stock has been up 30%. But today, I still think it's worth owning and buying. In fact, I asked my new research assistant, Alex, to dig into the numbers. And here's what he said. Carvana has seen their net sales grow by more than 100% in each of the past 4 years. Carvana is currently present in 146 markets, which is up 232% in 2 years. And the stock price has more than doubled in the past year, even during the pandemic. So add it all up, and the plan is simple. Whole Foods changed the paradigm of grocery shopping, and now Carvana is going to change the paradigm of car buying. So if you missed my first buy back in early June, it's still not too late. Get some Carvana today. And there you have it. That's your Trade Talk Tuesday episode for today. Remember, for next week's AMA episode, submit your questions. I will answer everything. And until then, mask up so I can watch my live sports again. And I will see you here next week for Trade Talk Tuesday. Until then, cue my exit music.